Jagga, 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 jagga. Jagga, 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 jagga. Jagga, 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 jagga. Jagga, 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 jagga. Jagga, 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 jagga. Jagga, 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 jagga. So today has been a full day of makeup and I gotta do the works to really make sure I get my skin really clean. So I hope the girls are ready because the skincare routine is really thorough, okay? Because good skin is good health, ladies and gentlemen. The first thing we gotta do is get the wig out of the way because she is a wig veteran. Thank you very much. Let's take the robe and get her out the way too. My routine is very thorough and I never skip steps and I don't sleep in makeup. Those of you guys that are sleeping in makeup, I'm calling your grandmothers and I'm snitching on all of you. Stop doing that. So the first thing I like to do, I'm wearing falsies. If you're ripping off your lashes and going on about your business, I'm totally judging you and you're probably bald headed. So stop doing that as well. A safe way to remove my falsies without ripping off my lashes, I'm a little bit of a lash snob, I do have to admit. I take some cleansing water. I take a Q-tip soaked with cleansing water and I just rub it right at the lash line to loosen up that glue. That way you don't have to rip them off. However long it takes to get me to just like unwind and do it the right way so it's not sloppy and halfway done, I do it. So after you've done this, your lash should pretty much come off pretty easily. If it's still resistant, it's not enough water. Next step is pre-cleanse. I'm a huge fan of pre-cleansing. Basically what that means is instead of going in with a face wash, you like prep your skin for the face wash first, okay? So you can use like a cleansing balm, you can use a makeup wipe. I actually have been using a cleansing oil. Oil is actually really good. It's not pore clogging at all. The one that I'm using is from Clinique. I have a few that I kind of rotate between, but I really like this one. And basically what it's doing is it's breaking up all the makeup, because guess what? Face wash does not get paid overtime. So you can't just rely on the face wash alone, okay? You gotta prep your skin. Give it some backup workers, some backup dancers. You feel me? You just can't go straight in and expect your face to be flawless. It's just not gonna work. Also, don't skip the hairline. This is where a lot of people get pimples, unexpected because they didn't thoroughly clean around their face. This rinses right off, so we're just gonna go straight into the sink and rinse. I like a gel-based face wash because, again, acne-prone, oily skin. It's very gentle. I love this one from Dermalogica. That gets a nice lather, and it's gentle on the skin. It doesn't make me break out. And again, really make sure you get around that hairline, your nose, your eyes. And then I would give you a little cute transition to the next step, but I can't open my eyes. So we're just gonna rinse it off. Now I'm just gonna pat my face a little bit dry, but guess what? You wanna see something? Look at that, look at that. Face cloth just snitched on you. Look at all that extra makeup that's still there. So we're gonna go back to the cleansing water from Simple. Find any extra traces. Usually it's like around the hairline. And I'll usually go through like 2 or 3 of these, depending on how rough the day was, you feel me? Pimples do not pay rent, girl. You gotta go. I try to get off all the makeup, every single trace of it. And you just wanna do this like until the cotton pad is white. So you see that all the makeup is gone. Now I like to exfoliate, and I'm doing an experiment this month where I don't use like actual physical scrubs. I'm using chemical scrubs this month. One that I really like is another one from Dermalogica, their Daily Microfoliant. My theory with physical scrubs is I feel like a lot of them are a little too harsh for darker skin, and I get hyperpigmentation and scarring, and I don't want to do anything too harsh to my skin. So I feel like if we're gonna banish the scars at a molecular level, let's fools with that, you know? Like the physical scrubs I feel like are just a little too harsh. It almost feels like a little mini facial, and then you rinse that off. So I gotta dry off my face with my clean rag. Or actually, you know what, truthfully, I'm in a hotel, so these are all clean and fresh, but I prefer to use a paper towel. No bacteria, don't reuse your wash rags. It's not cute, okay? So we're gonna tone. I love the Deep Hydrating Rose Toner from Fresh. It's so good, it smells good, it's so hydrating, and it's amazing. We gotta put all that moisture back in the skin. And I love this toner. And how I apply it, honestly, depends on what the directions say. Some toners that I use, they tell you not to sweep it on. Lotion P50 is a big favorite of mine, but it's a exfoliating toner, so I don't use it every day. You know, application just varies from product to product. We're not done yet, not even close, okay? Something that I've been trying and loving is the whole like 10-step Korean skincare thing, hence why I go through a lot of steps. And one product that I've recently been implementing in my skincare routine are essences. And essences are kind of different from toners. You think they do the same thing, they kind of don't. They don't bounce the pH the way that toners do. They kind of do a little bit more nourishing, hydrating, and essences when used with other products on top will basically enhance whatever you put over it. So because I'm bougie and because I'm extra, I'm gonna take my SK2 essence. It's a little on the pricey side, but I really like it and it's very gentle. This you can apply with your hands. You just press it into the skin with like 2 or 3 drops, and it's super lightweight and hydrating. Okay, next step. Okay, next I'm gonna apply about 50 million serums, and I'm gonna do a mask just because I'm bougie. The first serum that I'm gonna use is actually from my esthetician. You guys are gonna love her if you live in LA. I would highly recommend her. Her name is Fenya, and she has her own line of products called Guidance to Glow. They are medical grade, so you know they're gonna work, and they're, again, a little bit on the pricier side, but I'm big on like stuff that works, so if it works, sign me up. I want 3 or 4 of them, okay? So the first thing I usually go in for is hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. If you have oily combination skin, it's gonna be your best friend. Okay, squad goals, hyaluronic acid, get you some. So first I'm gonna take her serum, which is actually a copper complex peptide. So it almost like enhances the hyaluronic acid. It makes it like more potent. And when I tell you this stuff is a game changer, I'm dead serious. And just for ease of application, I'm just gonna do 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, maybe 1 more. And then I spread it out first, all over my face, and then I pat it in. Okay, we're trying to get our money's worth, so you better push that in there, girl. Cause you know, oily skin is actually starving skin, okay? So stop depriving your skin of what it is owed in life, okay? Stop skipping moisturizers, stop skipping oil. Don't be afraid of oil, and definitely don't be afraid of serums. You're gonna love hyaluronic acid, it's so good. It's called the Ultimate Growth Factor Serum, and to be honest, I don't even know what the hell it does, okay? My esthetician just tells me to use it, and I do, and it's expensive, but I don't care. So I get compliments on my skin, so it's obviously doing something. Put it on, and make it fun, and make it therapeutic, you know? Like, this skincare is like self-care. Enjoy it, and spread, and then pat. Your skin sucks them right in. Now for the ultimate bougie and extra routine, you gotta throw in a mask. I've been loving these ones from Neutrogena. They're inexpensive, they're hydrating, moisturizing, and you just throw them on and go. So this can be a little scary. I would not advise you to do activities such as checking the mail. So I'm just gonna put this bad boy on as it slides around into my mouth. Just little minerals. So you just keep this on. It says 5 to 30 minutes, which is like a really wide time frame. Just depends on how much time you got. And they just feel really nice, especially in the summer when it's hot. Ooh, pro tip, put them in the fridge. Dog. They feel so good. And I feel like they work a little bit better, even though they kind of don't. So just put this on, wait 5 minutes. Check it, check it, check it, check it. Check it, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. You know, mind your business, get you some coffee. Check it, check it, check it, check it. This makes it work more. Check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Wait a minute, hold up. Speaking of money's worth, I'm gonna go in the package and get all this extra serum out. This is a serum, you guys. Get your money's worth, okay? Yes, Neutrogena, come through. And you're good to go. Just go ahead and take it off. The sheet masks are not rinsed off, it's serum. So you wanna pat all that extra residue, if you will, into your skin. And it's gonna feel so nice and so hydrated. And you can even sometimes rub the extra on your hands, nice soft hands. Cause look, let me tell you something my mom taught me. You can always clock a woman's age by looking at her hands and her neck. So make sure you get that extra. I feel great, but I'm kind of like a 9 out of 10 and we're trying to get to a 12. So let's move on to eye cream. We're gonna go back to one of my favorite brands, Fresh. Their Rose Hydrating Gel Eye Cream, so good. And you don't need very much eye cream. You're just gonna take a little bit and dot it right underneath the eye and be very gentle. The under eye area is like the most delicate part of the face. So just be super gentle. Don't rub, don't tug, just pat. Be nice to her. I know you're probably thinking, dang, can you hurry up and finish? I'm done now. I'm just gonna add my moisturizer. That's the last thing you gotta do. No more ashiness in 2018. I'm judging you. You can use any moisturizer that you like. But this one is actually a newer one I'm trying, also from Fresh. What I do for my last step actually varies on like where I'm going, what I'm doing. I love this stuff. It's lightweight. And to be honest, like this last step, I kind of rotate depending on just like what day it is or I don't know what stage of life I'm in. I'm done, that's it. Thanks for hanging out and I hope to see you soon. Bye.